Hello, interweb. It's me, Fast Eddy. So today we're going to talk to you about Kwikset smart key locks and how to program them. Some people call it rekeying, some people call it reprogramming, but the tools that we're going to need today is the old key and the new key, not to mention the very important rekey tool. Now some people will ask, well, why are these locks different than other locks? Normal everyday locks have small little pins that measure up to each cut in the key, but a smart key lock actually uses magnets to memorize the cuts that you program the key to. Now I've tried to pick these styles of locks before, and I was only successful once. It set it into program mode. But normally you shouldn't be able to pick these locks. So let's have at it. So we slide in the working key, turn it clockwise to 3 o'clock. Then we take the smart key tool and push the button in the little hole. Slide the old key out, then slide in the new key and turn it back and forth. All done. Let's try it from a couple other angles. Again, slide in the old key, turn it to 3 o'clock. Slide in the smart key tool again, hit the little button in the back of the hole. Gently slide the key out. Insert the new key and turn it back and forth, then it's programmed. Again, insert the old key, insert the smart key tool, hit the button in the back of the hole, pull the key out, then insert the new key and turn it back and forth. So that's how it's done. So if you have any questions, please post them in the comment section. I'll get back to you and answer as soon as possible. That's how you reset, rekey, or reprogram your Kwikset smart key locks. Now, I'm Fast Eddy, and thank you for joining me today. Bye-bye.